Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. Keeping your Tor browser updated is very important for security and privacy. Each new update includes important security fixes, performance improvements, and bug fixes. In this video, I will show you how to keep Tor browser updated on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. First, open Tor browser, then click on the triple line menu in the top right corner. Select settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor browser settings, select general in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to find Tor browser updates section. Here you will find Tor browser is up to date. In case you want to check for updates right now, click on the check for updates button. It will immediately check from the Tor browser server, and in case any update is available, it will download and install for you. Otherwise, you can also here select this one option that says automatically install updates under allow Tor browser section. This will automatically install updates of the Tor browser in case it is available at Tor server. That's it. Your Tor browser will now be updated to the latest version. By default, Tor browser checks for updates automatically, so usually you don't need to update it manually. However, you can always check using the said steps to make sure you are running the latest version. Keeping Tor browser updated ensures better security, improved performance, and protection against vulnerabilities. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.